Meghalaya
Mr.
Chief
Speaker,
Minister
sir.
Conrad K. Sangma today informed
So,
that the
as per
government will
the
soon auction the
answer
extracted coal from
A,
East Jaintia Hills as per directive of the National Green
extracted
Tribunal.
coal lying in
Replying to the
various
question
places shall be
raised by
taken
West
over
Shillong
by
legislator
Coal India
Mohendro
Limited for
Rapsang during the
disposal
question
and
hour in the
auction.
Assembly, Sangma
May
informed that
I
the
know from
NGT
the
has
Honorable
fixed the
Chief
base price
Minister,
of Rs
the auction of coal will be
4,850 per
from
metric
different
ton,
sites
adding
or
that 10% from
designated
the sale of per
depot?
metric ton of coal will go to the Coal India
So it will
Limited,
be from
which is
designated depots.
responsible to conduct the auction
May
of
I
the
know from
extracted coal.
the
Replying to a
Chief Minister,
supplementary question, Chief
how
Minister
many such
informed that there are
depots
11 coal depots
are
for the
there
coal auction,
and
adding that the coal deposits are
in
in East Janta
which
Hills,
location and
West Khasi
area?
Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, and South Garo Hills.
So as
Out of
of
the
now,
11
government
coal
has
depots,
notified
Sangma informed that there are
11
6 coal
designated
depots
depots.
which are ready to
I don't
start
have
the
the
auction of
exact
coal, adding that the
location,
coal
which
from the
places
various
they
coal
are,
mines
but
have
they are in
already been
East
transported to the
Jaintia
respective
Hills,
coal depots.
West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, South Garo Hills, in these districts, sir. But I don't have the exact location, but 11 have been notified and designated as of now.
So out of all these 11 depots are completed as per the infrastructure instructed to be carried on for the action.
Sir, the work for infrastructure has been completed in 6 depots.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Chief Minister, out of these 6 depots, coal has been transported from the sites to these depots?
So the process is on.
So the process is on for transporting in the 6 depots. What will be the quantity of each depot to be holding?
Sir, I don't have the exact depot of what is the quantity to be put in each one. That information is not available with me, but the transportation is going on. These depots, at the end of the day, in each district, there are certain quantities of coal that are there. And like, for example, sir, in East Jaintia Hills, West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, and South Garo Hills. So, based on the requirement and based on the amount that comes in, the auctions will take place. So, the amounts vary, sir. So, today, for example, in West, in East Jaintia Hills, we have 54,000 metric tons that has been transported and that is going to be auctioned. In South Garo Hills, 9,000 metric tons. So like that, sir, the process will continue till we are able to dispose of the entire 32.56715 metric tons, sir.
So we are talking...
That's the last question.
So, okay. Let me know from the Honorable Chief Minister, how is the bidding price determined and how much will be paid to the Coal India for its handling charges?
So the NGT in a recent order has put the minimum base price at 4,850 rupees per metric ton, and the bid value will be based on the bidders who bid, and then it has to be, as I said, above the 4,850, and whatever the bid value comes out, 10% of that amount goes to Coal India.